Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a stitch named Paragon Stitch. This uses 3DC cluster, chain 2 as the shell, and half shell is 3DC cluster, chain 2, 2DC cluster. And this is worked over a multiple of 8 plus 2 as the foundation chains. For this particular swatch I used petrol blue 100% premium acrylic anti-pale hobby store yarn, Aran yarn. It is medium weight 4 with color code 2009. I shall make the required number of chains, foundation chains, for the demonstration and get back to you. I have made 2 repeats of 8 plus 2, so 18 chains. To begin with, make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth make the 3DC cluster shell. So first 3DC cluster, 1 incomplete DC, 2 incomplete DC, the third incomplete DC, and complete the cluster. Chain 2. So 3DC cluster, chain 2, repeat 2 times. Again one more cluster. All in the same chain. Chain 2. So we have repeated twice, and the third just place a 3DC cluster. So this is done. Skip 3. Be careful because we have worked so many stitches in this next stitch might hide, so we need to count this 1, 2, 3 and place a single crochet. Skip 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and place another shell of 3DC cluster. Chain 2, skip next 3 stitches and place a single crochet in the very last stitch. Row 1 is not a pattern repeat row. Rows 2 to 5 are pattern repeat rows. For row 2, either chain 6, which counts as DC, and chain 3 space, or turn and make your DC on the very first single crochet, chain 3, and in the middle cluster place a single crochet, chain 3, a double crochet on the single crochet, chain 3, single crochet on top of the middle 3DC cluster, chain 3, and a double crochet on the last single crochet here. For row 3, chain 2 and DC, that makes a 2DC cluster. Otherwise, make an incomplete DC and then another incomplete DC and complete this. This is 2 DC cluster, chain 2 and make a 3 DC cluster. This is a half shell on the very first stitch. Three DC cluster is made. SC in the next SC. Single crochet here. Then make a shell on this DC, that is 3 DC cluster shell. First set of 3 DC cluster, chain 2, another 3 DC cluster, chain 2 and a 3 DC cluster. This completes our 3 DC cluster shell. Then place a single crochet on the single crochet here, and the last DC here you need to place a 3 DC cluster, chain 2, 2 DC cluster. So this pattern eats up a little more yarn. So this completes our row 3. This is how it will look after row 3. Row 4, chain 1 and turn. SC on the 2 DC cluster, chain 3, DC on SC, chain 3, SC on the middle cluster, chain 3, DC on single crochet, chain 3, SC on the 2 DC cluster. So this completes row 4. Row 5, chain 1 and turn, SC on the first single crochet, shell on the DC here. That shell comprises of 3 DC cluster, chain 2, 3 DC cluster, chain 2, 3 DC cluster. Alternatively, you can use 2 DC clusters too if you want your fabric to be a little lighter. And the DC on SC here. Sorry, in row 5 you make an SC on SC here. So that is the difference between row 3 and row 5. Again a shell on the DC, sorry, chain 2, another 3 DC cluster, chain 2. Doesn't matter if the stitch widens, the SC widens, it will get set in because we are working with acrylic. So the pattern gets set in. And place a single crochet on the very last stitch here. So this completes our row 5. The pattern repeats our row 2 to 5, and this is a 2 repeat pattern and this is a 3 repeat pattern. This is how it will look. So thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every day. Please like and share our videos. Thank you friends once again. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.